Hi guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu and the Poké Ball Plus. It's a bundle that comes with the game and the Pokeball itself, but you can also buy the both parts separately. The Pokeball can be used as a controller for the game, and it will also contain Mew as an exclusive Pokemon for the game. On the back side you will find nothing special, and on the other side of the box you will find some text and pictures from the game, like an electrifying adventure with Pikachu, and oh yeah, you can also play the game with a second player, so you can have dual battles, which makes it easier to defeat the enemy. Okay, let's open the box. The first thing that you will see is the USB-C cable to charge the controller, so the ball actually. Nothing special about it. The second thing that you will see is the game itself. I find it a very nice illustration on the front. On the back you will have actually the same pictures and text from the box itself. You can transfer Pokemon from the game on a mobile phone and the Switch. Inside you will find the map. It's from the Kanto region and the game, and some I don't know what it is actually. Okay, the third thing you will see is of course the controller itself. And a manual. Of the Pokéball Plus. Let's take out the ball. So here it is, the Pokéball Plus. It feels very nice in the hand, and this thing is used to be to control your character in the game, and you might not see it well, but there is a button on the top of the ball. You can use that to interact within the game. It's like pressing the A on the Switch actually. And it will also be used to connect the controller with the game. On the back you will find the charging port to charge the ball, and also a clip. You can attach the Pokeball to your pants when you use it for the game on your phone. Let's open it. So over here we have the USB-C port to charge the Pokeball. Yeah, it feels very nice in the hand. So that's it. That's a package that you will receive from the box. So in this part of the video I will show you how to connect your Pokeball with the Switch system. First of all you have to click on the button on the top. the lights will blink, and then you have to move around the joystick, and then the system will detect the Pokeball. You will receive a message where it says that you have a present. This present is actually you that we will receive later in this video. You can use the Pokeball to catch Pokemon because there is no battle system anymore, like in the previous games from Pokemon. So you have to throw the ball and hope that you will catch the Pokemon. You can also use the Pokeball to move around your character, like you can see in here. The button on the top will show you the menu. It looks like you can't interact with people with the Pokeball. So just walk around and catch Pokemon. So that's it. So now we can receive Mew by going to the menu and then communicate. Mystery gifts, and here we can go to get with a Pokéball Plus. We click on yes. So be sure your connection is really good, because if you connection having an issue, you won't receive Mew anymore. So now it's connecting, and it's receiving our Mew. And ta-da! Here is our Pokemon. It's a mythical Pokemon from the first generation. Now I'm going to show you how you can connect the Pokéball Plus to your phone. Go to settings and then Bluetooth. Be sure your Bluetooth is on. Click on the bottom top, and then you will see a name, Pokemon PBP. Click on it, and then it will connect through Bluetooth. Voila. Then go to your game. Go to settings, and then Pokéball Plus. Then click on the bottom top again, and you can see Pokéball Plus. Turn it on. Click on OK, and now we can be able to connect the Pokéball to our phone in the game. So when you press the bottom top, it will connect automatically. And now we can start catching Pokemon. So we press the bottom top, and it will throw a virtual ball. We didn't get that Pokemon, so let's try the next one. We didn't receive that one either. Let's try the last one. And voila, we caught our first Pokemon with the Pokéball Plus. To do this part of the video, you will have to reach Fuchsia City first in the game, and then go to the Pokemon Go Park Complex. The first thing we need to do is to connect our Pokemon Go account to our Switch system, and to do that is you have to go to the menu and then Options, open Pokemon Go Settings, press the X button, click on yes. And now it will search for a Pokemon Go account, so we have to do the same thing on the phone. So click on connect to a Nintendo Switch, and it will tell you that an account has been found. So now we can transfer Pokemon from the phone to the Switch system. And to do that is you have to talk to the guy on the left, and he will ask you what you like to do. We want to bring a Pokemon, of course. And now we have to select the Go Park where we want to transfer our Pokemon to. So let's take the first park, start communication, and now we have to press the switch icon on the top and select a Pokemon we want to transfer to. Let's choose this Rattata as an example. And voila, now it will receive our Pokemon. As a bonus, you will also receive a mystery box. It will contain Meltan. It's the new mythical Pokemon for the next generation. And to see our Pokemon, we need to go to the park where we transferred our Pokemon to. Now we have to search for the Pokemon. And as you can see, I already transferred some Pokemon to test the system. I can move around my Dragonite. To use a Pokemon in the game, you have to catch it first, and then you can use it in battles. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you next time. Have a nice day.